Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to turn on vacation mode on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to turn on vacation mode on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to turn on vacation mode on Fiverr mobile app. So today I am going to show you how to turn on vacation mode on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Here is the interface of seller. If you want to avoid order cancellation and willing to turn on out of office mode, so here is the process. You are seeing different buttons at the bottom of the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on availability at the bottom. Now turn on out of office mode. Select a reason and duration and then click on apply. During your vacation, you will not receive any new messages. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on vacation mode on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.